Está. चलेगा?
नहीं चलेगा।
हम भी लोगों से मिला है ना। हाँ भैया, हम जो मिशन रास्ता है। हाँ। चलेगा? हाँ, खा लूँगे। क्या चीज़ क्या? Mango lassi. Machine bete. Mango lassi. Doctor chibo de. Mango fresh karo de da. Ah.
Na Australia kaya na mango lassi. Ini di.
Tapi shimba da kya na. Je de tang ai tong gora. Mango lassi ji tona machine. Kita nak macam tu, kalau kasih, cawan caswa. Kalau kata ngai be, alu momo. Guna. Ayo, alu momo. Ayo.
Like an elephant. I have a fast metabolism. Hello, small.
왜 벽에 겹고? 부모나 벽에 겹다.
Yeah.
띠띠. 띠띠면 바꿔. Yes, of course.
But little, not very well.
I understand everything and I'm learning right now to speak. Yeah.
벽에 겹다.
Yeah.
인천은 벽에 겹. 신임의 벽에 띠띠.
Tibet हमको नहीं ना आता है.
अच्छा,
Chinese
अच्छा.
आता है. I know Chinese. You know Chinese?
아, Chinese 간주 신말.
I learned in Mother University.
Yeah.
Yeah.
그건 찡이만 못
Because before I
신고.
become guide,
Food
food
stall
guide,
you're right.
but suddenly coming Corona,
Yeah.
I one book.
그거다.
I don't like the Chinese language, how it sounds. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like.
You like?
Yeah. I like to study for Chinese language.
You like Austrian language more?
No, yeah, but before, no.
No?
Yeah.
Oh,
First I study Chinese, very difficult, but one book, easy.
easy?
Yeah.
Do you know German?
Tone is very, no, German.
I'll teach you something. What do you want to know?
Hello, how are you?
Hallo, wie geht es dir?
Wie geht
es dir?
das dir?
Yeah.
Wie geht das dir?
Very good. That was a good pronunciation.
Yeah. Because Chinese language is very hard tone.
Yeah.
I know. So some language a little listening and then I talk.
Yeah.
So
And Tibetan, you should learn Tibetan before you learn Chinese.
Yeah.
Like the same.
No.
No. Very different. Tibetan.
This place is come in odd season, all forget. And coming for Tibetan and some another country, and then I know a little.
Yeah.
Because every day customer coming,
Yeah.
like your mom and
You know, most of the customers who come to you here in Bodh Gaya, they're Tibetans.
yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Tibetan
so it's
come.
nice to
So
speak
also
Tibetan.
here stay long time for 1
Yeah.
month, 2 months, and another people for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Tibetan people for maybe 1 month, 2 months,
Yeah.
stay here.
Yes, some stay even for 5 months.
Yeah.
Pray in the temple.
Yeah.
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 And Dalai Lama, he will come here for like a 10 days, stay here, and Tibetan people before 1 month.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's why everywhere those Tibetan handicraft shops,
Yes.
they offer a lot of Tibetan things.
Yeah. And many Tibetan people like open a small stall.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he will come fast before Dalai Lama 1 month before coming.
1 month before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Now we gotta
Also
teach
then-
him one Tibetan thing.
One word.
One Tibetan. You gotta learn one Tibetan thing. Harilapka.
Tashi Telek.
Oh, I know that's
Okay.
Ah, you know it.
Devu Imbe.
Oh, how are you?
How are you? And if you wanna say I'm good, you say Devu.
Devu Imbe say how are you? And Devu In. Yeah, like in. Devu In.
Very good.
This is Tibetan language session in the middle of Bodh Gaya.
Yeah.
So she come first time here.
First time in Bodh Gaya. Yeah.
But I was born in India,
Oh,
in Dharamsala.
Dharamsala.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I've been here often when I was a child. Now I have been 7 years I haven't been in India. And I've missed India.
Many people coming here is the same.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
Because here Shanti.
Yeah.
The coconut
Coconut
Yeah.
is very
Dosa.
basically where you stay.
In Austria?
West
Vienna. Vienna. That's like the capital city of Austria.
Australia.
Austria.
Australia.
Austria.
Is the continent. Austria is in Europe. Next to Germany. And
Next to
France. So what foods do you offer?
As you like, you
Yeah.
like.
You can explain for the video what you offer.
I offer for orange and apple.
No. No.
Because I know.
What is there to sell? You know, that's the question.
What is that?
For the people who come to Bodh Gaya, you have apples. क्या है यहाँ पे खरीदने के लिए लोग जो आता है ना उन लोगों के लिए क्या क्या है आपके पास बेचने
I
का?
have pomegranate and tamarind and kiwi.
Oh,
What is
wow.
that?
This is a melon.
Melon.
Yeah.
It looks so different than
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Austria.
Yeah, this is apple,
Apple, watermelon.
watermelon,
Muskmelon.
bananas,
Yeah, muskmelon.
muskmelon.
Yeah. Pomelo, muskmelon.
Pomelo, or it's a bit bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
And green orange.
green, orange,
Yeah.
Green orange.
Green orange. Like in Hindi, I speak for Mosami.
Mosambik.
Yeah, same for orange, but
Yeah.
not in green.
Okay. And
Same.
pineapple.
Pineapple. And water.
And water, pani.
Yeah, also I have.
Okay. So what's it called? This wood apple juice bar.
Yeah. You give for like a wood apple juice bar.
Yeah.
You giving for a stall.
Yeah.
Yeah. You go Google.
Okay. Oh, it's seen in Google.
Yeah.
So everyone who's coming
You
to
like my shop?
Bodh Gaya
Yeah.
can come here for a cup of fresh pressed juice.
Yeah.
Wood apple
Juice bar.
bar. Wood apple and juice bar. Free Wi-Fi, very
You go
important.
to Google and then you search. Number 1 in Bihar.
Number one in Bihar. Okay. Check this place in internet. Ask Dr. Google what he thinks about this.
Yeah.
Okay. आपको मिल के बहुत अच्छा हुआ. 5 मिनट बाद.
Yeah.
Pema.
Engine Pama.
Pema.
Pema. Pema like a Om Mani famous mantra.
Yeah, absolutely.
My name is Golu.
Golu. Golu Kumar.
We are like a grown. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Out.
You looking so cute.
Yeah, absolutely. Golu Kumar. Okay. Free Tibet.
Yeah. But now you have to drink juice. So I offer.
Drink juice. Who try
Oh,
one juice?
okay. Just one because we came from the restaurant.
Juice for mixed juice.
Mixed juice.
Yeah. For
What is in the
green
juice?
Orange, pomegranate, pineapple. That's good for health.
Aha.
Sounds very healthy.
This is a good vaccination against corona, you know that?
Yeah.
It strengthens the immune system.
Yeah, it's good for the immune system, yeah? Right? Look at this.
Oh, that is green orange.
Yeah, green orange.
I've never seen this. I've never seen a green orange.
Yeah.
Like the same tamarind. This a little hard. And
Yeah.
tamarind is soft.
Aha. Golu Kumar. Let's go. Let's go there. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Fresh pineapple.
Ananas.
Ananas. How do you know this word ananas? It's a German word.
German word.
Yeah, this is a German word
Ananas.
for pineapple.
Same.
Yes.
Some word, some countries same. Like
Okay,
some
okay.
word.
Yeah. Absolutely.
People, you learn so many new words.
Yeah. So many.
Now pomegranates.
Yeah, pomegranate and green orange and ananas.
Wow.
And then they pour it through a filter,
Mm-hmm.
so the juice is thin.
Yeah.
Now the green orange comes inside.
This is a natural making for hand, not
Yeah.
electronic.
Yeah.
Yeah, natural, organic.
Handmade. That's
Yeah.
good.
And everyday natural juice, and
Yeah.
after become natural body.
Yeah.
Natural
Yes.
exercise.
That's good strength training.
Environment friendly. You don't use any electricity, no
Yeah.
nothing. Just your muscles.
Yeah.
And you get bigger muscles.
You need a black salt.
Like salt.
Not necessary.
Not necessarily.
That's good.
You can even
It's
add.
good? Is
Yeah.
it good for health?
Yes. Because
Okay,
many people.
then a bit. Tiny
Just a
bit.
bit.
No. Many people want a black salt, but
Not necessary.
this is organic for giving
Yeah.
God.
Oh, okay.
Another not mixed.
What
Yeah.
do you recommend, with or without?
Without, but
Without.
many people I want, so I think
okay.
because my customer is God.
Yeah, so you have to give. If the customer says, I want poison, you have to give, right?
No. First I give
Yeah.
for solution.
Yeah,
If you want to mix your drink,
yeah,
after problem.
Yeah.
But he said to me,
yeah.
okay,
give
no
me.
problem.
Okay, if you want.
Thank
You
you.
want
So-
to straw?
I'll try like this.
Now,
Okay.
so.
Wow.
How's it? Good?
Very fresh and very good.
बहुत अच्छा है.
See, speak Hindi very clear. बहुत अच्छा. Many foreigners बहुत अच्छा. See, very clear.
Wow, that tastes good.
네, 골로코만 주스 돈돈이 기 마사만 그게. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank you.
for the vitamin bomb. Vitamin
You
bomb.
should call the drink vitamin bomb.
What do you mean?
Vitamin bomb. Yeah, because people will look at it and think, oh, you get all the vitamins of the day in just one
Laka.
day.
Thank you so much.
Disengage.
What? Ah, thank you, Golukumar from California.
California.
Stay positive.
It's
Always
written
follow
here.
your dreams.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Was soll ich machen?
Pick yellow.
Pick yellow. Free Tibet.
Free Tibet. Ay, kuya hairstyle this is. Ay. Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Tibet.
Jai Tibet.
Very good.
This means Hail India, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jai
Yeah.
Tibet.
Jai Tibet. Yes. Look at all this. Oh, the magin to magin. Anju sagana kala sacharwa. Ni magin sai ki sachamen to atona. Ah. Deta. 이제 깔리 쉬었다 혼자데. 이제 아마 어쩌 나니에도. 오, 베게 게라 좀 베스타 니마 미 마을 두도 베게 된첸. 다 니마 미 마을 두다. 가 되게. I had something to go about. 아, 지금 내가 지려가. 템버 제수야. 지금 지우요. 템버 제수. 아, 땅에 하고 있어. 아까 때문에 아직 저다 안 쓰는 게 나가 보신지죠. 언제 토스쇼. 네, 땡. 됐다. 딱 미에만 고쳤어. 하다. Welcome to Mahabodhi Mahabodhara Temple. Hapishkasa World Heritage Site. Yes, it's a protected area. And the temple. Wow, look at this. Ooh. Look. Fantastic. Ah. Hello? Oh my god! Wow!
Vaishnavi.
Anji?
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. That's you! 带着拉过上去，拉过现在进去了，哈哈呀！啊哈哈！太可爱了！大大，拜拜。大大，拜拜。OK， 拜，拜拜。산에 어때요? 산에 챙겨봤을 때는 인사가 느꼈어요. 아니 단당 안 쏘. 온다 지중하다 제가 단당 안 쏘. 최대는 무채. 최대는 무채 주네 아니. 단당 자감 비슷해요. 아니 고마워. 그때 그래 내야 돼. 타마 당고래 대장. 이거대. 아니 낭롱이 야구 좋아. 떼짜 친구래. 네. 아니 한쪽에 강라 깨지 시리도 아텐데 정말 자당 지우래. 아니요? 자당 지울 때 망고도 어땠을 거야. Look at this. 와우. 와우. Lasso. Chalo. Pretty bad. Sao? Cái ta ta kêu, xin con sang mà còn là, thà chịu hết tất mang của tôi. Đây, đây, ama, đây. Wow. Thế đây nhìn ta có. Mango peto.
घूम लिया आप?
हाँ जी।
सुजाता?
हाँ जी।
और भी कहीं घूमना होगा तो घुमा सकता है हम लोग।